Hello everyone, I am Akshata, first year ECE student, and I am here to present about my innovation topic, that is smart lock and key. Smart lock has its design much similar to a normal lock, but its functionality is what makes it stand out. At night, as it turns dark, we cannot see many things around us. One of such things may be putting the key into its keyhole. Also, when we are in a hurry, we tend to rush things, making it more complicated. The design is made by keeping the problems of old age people in mind, yet it is equally useful for the youngsters. The smart lock and key thus helps to fix this problem. The smart lock and key is designed in such a way that when the key is brought closer to its respective lock within the distance of some centimeters, the sensors fixed in the lock helps the outline of the keyhole to glow, and the magnet fixed will attract the key towards the lock, hence getting it into the keyhole perfectly. This design has been fixed with sensors such as proximity sensor and light sensor. It also has an inbuilt magnetic sensor. It can be used by all kind of people as it is quite affordable and it keeps your belongings safe. This is the prototype of the design. Thank you.